we found Tom Cruise's Mustang. It's in Chino, California, getting its annual maintenance done. It usually lives in Florida, but here it is in California. You've all seen this in Tom's movies. This was built in 1944 in Dallas, Texas by North American Aviation. It was built as an F-6K, the photo reconnaissance version of the P51 fighter aircraft. The P51 was originally developed in 1940 as a single-seat interceptor aircraft for medium-altitude air combat. When it was modified in 1942 with the more powerful Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, the Mustang evolved into the ideal escort fighter for the heavy bombers being flown against Germany during World War II. The P51D was fast, deadly, and capable of long-range flights. The K variant is nearly identical to the D variant, except that it featured a 4-blade, 11-foot Aero Products propeller instead of the Hamilton standard propeller. It also featured reduced weight components to make it a bit faster. Okay, the blades of these propellers are about a foot across, and that spinner is at least a 2-foot diameter. It's big. The F6 version carried 2 Eastman Kodak K24 cameras on board instead of its guns and bomb racks. The mission of the F6 was to fly over enemy territory and take photos of potential targets or to record damage from prior bombing runs. The war service record for this aircraft, serial number 44-12840, is not known, but in 1946 it was being flown by the Civil Air Patrol. It later went into private ownership and was fully restored. It was acquired by actor, producer, and advocate Tom Cruise in 2001. Flying since 1994, Cruise owns several aircraft and is an accomplished pilot. This Mustang has appeared in a number of television segments and music videos, as well as its key role in the current hit film Top Gun: Maverick. It is through the generosity of Tom Cruise that the Planes of Fame Air Museum is proud to host this aircraft for display. Just Tom doesn't need it right now. And it's perfect. My goodness. Well, we spent the whole day here, and all of a sudden, Tom's plane is outside. We were told that Tom is sending one of his pilots to come pick it up and take it back to his home in Florida. I sure would like that job. Fly to California, pick up a P51, rip it across the country, park it in Florida, and then you're in Florida. This thing is completely perfect. Every scrap of the paint is perfect. This is like a completely flawless Mustang. Tom Cruise. I'm impressed. If I had half of Tom's money, I'd have one of these, that's for sure. And I'm getting really close to it. They put it outside here, and I've been here all day. I went to lunch with some of the volunteers. Oh, this thing is so perfect. I can't describe it. There's not a smudge of dirt on it. There's not a scratch in the paint anywhere. It looks like it's just been painted, actually, which wouldn't surprise me. Now, if I could just ask Tom if I could sit in it for a moment, that'd be cool. Tom, you listening? Tom, are you subscribing to my channel? Can I please sit in your airplane? nice new tires on it.